Dear subscribers, please subscribe to our channel to see more videos about structural modeling in Revit. First, we will create two slabs. Go to the Structural tab, select Slab, choose Structural Foundation Slab. Go to Properties, then change the slab thickness to 500 millimeters. Click Edit Type, Duplicate, change the name from 150 millimeters to 500 millimeters. In Type Parameters, go to Structure, then change the slab thickness to 500 millimeters and click OK. Now, go to the Draw panel and select Rectangle. Click to define the starting point and the end point to complete the slab. Click Finish Edit Mode. Select the slab and copy it. Then, select the copied slab and change the height offset from level to -1000 millimeters. Now go to the 3D view. Type BM, Beam Shortcut. In Properties, select the appropriate beam type. In the Draw panel, choose Pick Lines and place the cursor on the edge of the slab to create the sloped beam. Go to Level 1, then create a section view. Align the edge of the beam with the edge of the top slab and the bottom slab. Now you will obtain the required sloped slab shape. To eliminate the visible lines, we need to match the material. Select the sloped element. Go to Material, choose Concrete Cast-in-Place Gray. Click OK. Now, we will add dimensions to these structural elements. Please note, we used a beam system to model the sloped slab because if you use a normal slab and apply slope, you will not get the exact dimensions and shape. The slab tool is very limited for this case. Please subscribe to our channel to see how to create these families in the next chapter and how to reinforce this slab.